In the heart of Bahrain lies the Philippine School, a community school committed to provide excellent basic education to children of overseas Filipino workers in the kingdom. PSB opened its doors to Filipino students in 1995. Since then, PSB has produced a good number of young men and women who take pride of their school and their country. Philippine School Bahrain offers the basic education programs from kindergarten to grade 12 as prescribed by the Philippines Department of Education and approved by Bahrain's Ministry of Education. These two educational agencies encourage the formation of the young that addresses the holistic development and nurturance among students of 21st century skills, with emphasis on greater respect for multicultural diversity, profound respect for people of other faiths, and an appreciation of our identity as a people, our indigenous heritage, and cultural values. The school dedicates all efforts in building a healthy, safe, assuring, and respectful school environment where learners find success in their academic and life skills, where academic and non-academic staff continuously aim for development and facilitate relevant learning experiences, and where families and other members of the school community become actively involved in sharing responsibility of developing lifelong learners. The vision, mission, and objectives evidently identify the role of this institution in developing Filipino students to become competent, creative, committed, and compassionate individuals. Along with the school's commitment to serve the educational needs of children of Filipino families in the kingdom, is the school's responsibility to exhibit that the Philippine curriculum and system of teaching and learning are at par, if not better, than other international curricula in the kingdom. Organized around the framework of the Philippine Basic Education Curriculum, the school program engages learners to strive for academic excellence through rigorous teaching and learning activities and vibrant student support. Being the home of Filipino culture and heritage, the school continuously preserves and instills among its students values such as sense of patriotism, citizenship, love and respect for family, fellow men, and the environment. Such formation will make them more effective and more responsible participants in the ongoing social transformation of society of the local, national, and international level. It organizes experiences that developmentally lead students on the preparation for their true vocations in life. Vocations which are aligned not only to their interests and desires, but also with their capacities and abilities to contribute to the improvement of their communities. Philippine School Bahrain provides learners opportunities to be at their best in dealing with their school life. Besides facilitating learning and development, it creates a conducive environment that will make learning more effective and enjoyable. Essential units take care of the different student services and organize essential programs to ensure students' safety, physical and mental health, and social-emotional wellness. Consistent with its mission and vision, the school offers a wide range of opportunities that promote student empowerment, cater to the diverse needs of learners, and assist young minds in growing from multidimensional processes. It fosters student leadership and responsible citizenship through student development programs. Anchored on the philosophy that education helps develop learners' talents to become mature, responsible, and effective members of the society, the school fulfills its role in enhancing students' potentials by providing them with meaningful experiences in varied activities that complement their knowledge, values, interests, and abilities. These activities are designed to provide an avenue for students to explore opportunities for students to discover, develop, and enhance their innate talents and skills beyond classroom activities. We always take pride of our school and of the achievements that were accomplished over the years. Each year, we continue to energize ourselves to enhance our school curriculum, educational pedagogy, facilities and services for the proper development of our students. This is not only our promise, but our responsibility we place upon our shoulders. Our educational programs call for a formation process that produces students who, being aware of the actual situation, can commit themselves to participate in a genuine transformation of Philippine society. Such process facilitates the development of social awareness, sense of volunteerism, social and civic values like justice, social responsibility, and appreciation for a simple lifestyle, service to the poor, and advocacy for peace as way of life. We are blessed to have parents and benefactors who support the school in all of its endeavors. We maintain a strong communication with them to help us to reflect and move forward with sure steps. With them, we make things happen. Our dynamic and vibrant academic staff ensure the holistic formation of the heart and mind of students. To effect this desired formation, we believe that close linkage between the school and the community should lead to a relationship characterized by mutual service and enrichment. This positive relationship guarantees an educational formation that is continuously and effectively responsive to the needs of the community, of most of our Filipino people, and of society. The Board of Directors and the members of the staff ensure the implementation of the school's vision, mission, and objectives in the instructional programs. They guarantee the continuous upgrading of the curriculum, supervision of the classroom instruction, instructional materials, and assessment and evaluation of students' performance. No doubt, Philippine School Bahrain has achieved so much in years and has attained significant educational leadership and service in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The promise of upholding this service continues as it undertakes future development and progress, bounded by its vision, mission, and objectives of producing quality and educated citizens who embody the Filipino legacy in the international setting. The school remains committed in upholding its promise of providing the best service as it continues to embark on future development and progress towards realization of its vision and mission.